Hello and welcome back to In Tune with TEU with Azeem Subhani, CEO of TEU Global. If you recall, for the last 6 months, we've been recording videos and sending them to you periodically about the progress of the decision of IEEPA Tariff Refund, the legalities and illegalities of it, and then the Supreme Court decision that these refunds are coming back to you. CAPE portal is going live on the 20th, as we had predicted. We're the flag bearers of this process. We've worked with U.S. Customs, been in communication with them extensively, and we have in some situations even suggested the format for the refund. The refund process is a simple one. Make your ACE portal and report which entries, which transactions require a refund. But it can be very complicated for importers who have not so simple import process. They have multiple brokers, multiple import profiles, and stuff like that. It requires careful planning. And even if you have a simple process, it could also leave out the required documentation or required data for full refund. At TEU, we have done extensive work to make sure that we know the process. And we know if something is rejected, if we know if something goes wrong, that we have the backup and we have the communication channels with U.S. Customs. Comes Monday, which is the 20th, ACE portal, the help from U.S. Customs is going to be limited. There's going to be a problem if it is not handled properly. We still have time. You can reach out to us. We can definitely help you set up not only your ACE, and if you have set up the ACE, let you identify which reports you need to look at and what needs to be done before you upload the data to U.S. Customs. It allows you to upload the data. It allows you to do your auditing before submitting this data. 20th is not the only day you need to do this on. It's going to be on for a significant amount of time. So preparation for the correct submission is essential. You can still reach out to us at cape@teuinc.com, and we can definitely help you in determining whether your submissions are correct. Don't allow anyone, and even yourself, to take it lightly that whatever you're submitting is the only submission you need to have. A careful eye on it, a careful review will definitely render some good results. So definitely looking forward to working with you, and hopefully you get the entire refund. Get in touch with us, and looking forward. Take care.